Hey everybody, how you all doing? And welcome to the second video in this mini video series where we look at how to transform your body at home using just bodyweight exercises and workouts. And if you ever wanted to learn how to build powerful bodyweight workouts that can help you either lose fat, build muscle, or increase your performance, then today's video is for you. Now, guys, I'm gonna keep it really simple and practical as I do with all my videos here. I'm not gonna go into detail about the hormonal response each one of these workouts will help you achieve, or what kind of systems is working. If we do that, I'll be here for the next 2 weeks. So I just quickly wanna show you, using just 2 exercises as an example, how you can then combine those 2 exercises with specific workout structures that's either good if you wanna lose fat, build muscle, or increase your performance. And then you can take that information and go out there and test it and play around with it. But the goal is to show you how you can take the same exercises, but changing up that workout structure, get different results from using the exact same exercises. So if you're ready, let's get going with today's video. Now, the 2 exercises we're going to use, and like I've said, this is just for an example. You would normally use 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 exercises depending on what your overall goal is and what you want to achieve. But for example purposes, we're just going to use 2 exercises, and we're just going to use push-ups and normal deep squats. Now, let's say we want to burn fat with these 2 exercises. When you want to burn fat, you want to create workouts that will have great hormonal responses. In other words, they increase the type of hormones that's going to help you burn fat faster. You want to create workouts that's going to have a nice epoch or afterburn effect. And you want to create workouts that's going to help you burn a lot of calories during the workout as well. To do this, one of the best kind of workout structures is high intensity interval training workout. But there's a next level up from there, and that is high intensity weight training workouts. So a powerful workout structure for this, depending on what level you are, is different kinds of interval training. So a good one is 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, also known as in the industry as Tabata training. And what you will do here is simply do your push-ups for 20 seconds, rest 10 seconds, and then you move on to doing squats for 20 seconds and rest 10 seconds, and you come back to push-up. This will also bring in things like peripheral heart action training, where your heart works really hard to push all the blood to the upper part of your body and then the lower part of your body as you're doing upper body exercises and lower body exercises. And there are many other things you can bring into play here. With any kind of my workouts, I will bring up to 9 different strategies into one workout to help you get the best possible results. But this is a very simple and effective strategy to just start losing weight. And go and do that for 10 minutes and you will feel that your heart rate goes through the roof, but you will also get a great workout. Another thing you can bring in here, if you just want to take it up a little bit more and bring in a bit of cardio, is also do some burpees for 20 seconds and rest for 20 seconds as a third exercise. And you can also replace that with jumping jacks if burpees is too much. But guys, high-intensity interval training and high-intensity weight training specifically is a great workout structure to burn fat using bodyweight exercises. Next, let's say you want to build some muscle using just these 2 exercises and bodyweight exercises. What would you do? Well, the goal we want to achieve when building muscle at the simplest form is stimulating that specific muscle, breaking it down so that we can recover it by feeding it the right nutrients. It can rebuild itself and so increase in size. So a great type of workout structure when it comes to building muscle at home using bodyweight exercises is density or volume training. Very similar, it's working on the same principle. So if you've taken any one of my challenges, you probably hate these workouts, but it's called GVT, which stands for German volume training. And this works really easy. So you take the push-up, and this time around we're going to stick with 1 exercise at a time because we want to work out as much as we can so that we can stimulate it and break it down. And you will go for 10 reps, rest 10 seconds, and you'll do that 10 times. So you're going to do 100 reps of push-ups. If that's too much for you, you can bring it down to just 5 sets of 10 reps, rest 10 seconds. And like I've mentioned, you go just with the push-up first to build your chest, and then if you want to train your legs, you can do just the squats. But guys, if you're building your whole body, you will probably focus and do that with every single exercise that I've mentioned in video 1, and I'll put a button up there and in the description box where you can go and check out video 1 if you haven't seen it, where I spoke about the best bodyweight exercise for each muscle group. So any muscle you want to train, use this workout structure. It's known as German volume training. Yes, there are many other different types of workouts and workout structures that can help you build muscle, but this is a simple and easy one you can use right there at home using any kind of exercise to stimulate and build muscle right there at home. And then the final one we're going to talk about is how to increase your performance, or specifically in this one, explosive power. So things that will help you run faster, jump higher. Okay, this is also the type of things you would normally use to learn calisthenic exercises, things like muscle up. It's a lot of explosive power that you need to bring into achieving those kind of exercises. But guys, a great type of workout structure here is to simply use plyometric exercises. So instead of a normal push-up, we will do plyo push-ups, where you just push off a lot faster, and there'll be a little bit of air between your hands and the floor, and then you'll control it back down and then power up again. The same with the squats. You can just explode up and do squat jumps to achieve the same kind of goal. Now, the one thing you want to learn here is we are hitting your central nervous system pretty hard in this one, depending on how tough the exercise is. So you don't want to work till failure all the time. You don't want to do this every single day. So give yourself enough rest between exercises, between sets, and between days where you have trained a specific exercise. So once again, I will do 3 or 4 sets of no more than 5 to 6 reps of a specific exercise if your goal is to develop that explosive power. And if you can easily do 5 or 6 reps, that exercise has probably become too easy and you need to use something a little bit more advanced. So those are the kind of things you can play around with. It's still bodyweight exercise, but this will help you develop the strength and explosive power to increase your performance depending on what your goal is. So there you go, guys. Using the exact same exercises, as you can see, you can achieve different physical goals, lose fat, build muscle, increase your performance by combining that with different workout structures. Now, if you don't want to go and spend 10 years learning all of this and you just want a complete program to help you achieve these things, you can go and check out, like I've mentioned this week, bodyweights.com, and go and learn more about how to combine these workouts and exercises to transform your body right there at home. And then, guys, in the next video, the 3rd video in this series, I'm actually going to provide you with a complete full body bodyweight fat loss workout so that you can go and try it out, push hard, and burn some fat right there at home. As always, guys, click on the like button. If you have any questions, put it in the comments box below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.